Using SMA with an applied current, Molt aims to create the appearance of motion in origami pieces, while also creating a generic rule set for origami crafters to apply to custom pieces in future development. Molt is looking into the applications of shape memory wire, or SMA wire, to create a digital addition to the craft without interfering with the craft itself. Molt is created by taking the original crease pattern of a traditional origami crane and applying certain rules to them. These rules help define both the SMA placement, but also the wire and circuitry design of the paper. For example, SMA wire is only strong enough to affect simple folds in this form, so reverse forms create a form of barrier. We also need to identify exit areas for the wires to come out of. In future iterations, these wires can be printed or painted on the paper, allowing for more creative circuit designs. An Arduino with a relay, motor, and capacitance sensor is used to create the motion within the piece. The wire is then programmed and applied to the pre-printed crease pattern. Without manufacturing tools, the wire tends to take a slightly different shape with each programming. However, as a result, this creates a unique model and interaction with each iteration. The final product uses capacitance as a trigger to begin flapping the wings. This creates a natural interaction to the output and a somewhat playful response for the user. Future iterations of Molt will involve collaboration with origami crafters in order to apply these rules to their pieces and create a variety of motion-driven pieces.